Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to solve the Python problems under the HackerRank. First we are going to solve the challenge 1 and challenge 2 under the Python. So in HackerRank under the Python we have various problem statements that we can solve to get a points as a reward. So this is the first problem statement, which is print hello world, and here it is one of the most difficult program in the world, that is print hello world. Then this second problem statement is regarding if else statement. So this is the problem statement. Please read carefully. And the solution will look like, first we are taking input from user, and then we are checking whether the input is greater than or equal to 1 and input is less than or equal to 100. So that is a constraint given in a problem statement. Then the first task is, if the n is odd, then we need to print weird. So here is a solution. So using this modular operator we can get the remainder, and if the remainder is 1 then this particular number is odd and hence we are printing weird. Then the second task is, if n is even and it is inclusive in a range 2 to 5, then print not weird. So first statement we are checking whether it is odd. If this statement is not executing, it means your number is even, hence we need to check only the inclusive part. And here using the range we can check whether this n is belong to this range, which is 2 to 5, because in Python this is exclusive. It considered as 2 to 5 because the 6 is exclusive. Then we are printing not weird. And the third task is print weird when n is even and inclusive range 6 to 20. Similarly, we are checking whether it is in the range of 6 to 20. Here it is also exclusive. Then the last task is print not weird when n is even and greater than 20. n is greater than 20, we are printing not weird. So when we run this code, all the test cases will be satisfied. And please find the link of GitHub code in the description section. Thank you.